Hey everybody, welcome to S&M Outdoors. Me and Steven are out here kicking some brush piles again for some rabbits. I didn't get the video of the first rabbit, but we already kicked one out. Well, Steven did, he's right there. You want to kick these piles? I'm gonna watch. Sorry for the video quality, I'm shooting this off my phone. Walk right up on that tire, Steven. Like by those tires right there. I got a perfect shot right here forward, so. Nothing? Alright, let's keep moving up. We finally got a fresh snowfall here in New York. It's New Year's Day. So we're coming out here to hunt. It's so hard to see these little dudes when there's no snow. A lot of these piles in here. There's some thick stuff and they just love it. It's a little thick right here, Stevie. I don't see too well. You'll definitely hear them running through it though. Believe it or not, rabbits are kind of loud. And then after this, we got some squirrel hunting footage going to be coming up for you. Show you how we do it here in New York. I got a big old puddle of water, so I got a pile over here. I'm gonna kick, Steven. Nope. You can see right there, it wasn't as big as I thought it was gonna be. Starting to open up on my side, I can see pretty good. Oh, I can't believe that first rabbit, Steven. They like to bust out ahead of us down here too. And they'll try to run, get as much ground covered running down the field. Coming up on another pile right here. It's a little thick in here. Definitely miss having a dog for all this. Kicking a pile, Steven. Definitely just fell through the pile. Nothing. I said my leg went all the way through when I fell in it. Some of these branches are so dead. On a pile, Steven. Gonna kick it. This is the one I kicked that rabbit out that last time. Oh, it's all thorns. Ow, fuck. Nope. And over the last couple of years, I noticed that our rabbit population has dropped a lot. We used to have a lot more rabbits out there than what we have right now. Kicking a pile. Nothing. Except the birdie. Hey, hey. There's so many places for them to hide in here. It's a nice big woodpecker right there. There really isn't too many over here either. Small pile. One more small pile. Nothing. Well, we kicked one up. That was way back at the beginning. Way down there. And unfortunately, I didn't have the camera turned on yet. By the time I seen it, it was already in the hedgerow. Well, we still took a shot at it. It's alright, we got some squirrel hunting coming up next, so. This spot coming up here is pretty good too. I hate falling through all this stuff. Well, no rabbit for the rest of the drive on that one. Let's see what new tracks we got. This is a Amish property over here that they let us hunt, and this is my father's property to the left. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Are you coming? Can't see what he's doing. I can see him. I'll be down here at the opening. You okay?
Yeah, I'm right here.
But yeah, so yeah, we got some deer crossing back in. It's really thick over here. My father's property. Got some fresh maybe got a couple days old. They cross back through here a lot. There's tracks all over, Steven. The camera. So Steven's back. He was pushing the inside of the hedgerow. So what are we going? We just going to shoot him?
Just shoot them. Go back up over here.
We'll start on the nest right here and work our way back in.
Yep.
We are now back in the hardwoods of that property. Not a lot of squirrels on the ground today, so I think we are going to take them out of their nest. Usually works for us. Ain't that right, Steven?
Right there.
Isn't that the one we shot the other day, though? Want to hit it again?
No, I don't think we hit because there was a couple of them right here that we didn't hit.
That's it. Just remember I'm filming, so I don't know if I'll be able to get too many shots. If one comes out, we'll hit it from the other side. Where is it? Right there? Why don't you get over there, Stevie? To your right a little more. Keep going, keep going, keep going. So I'm gonna hit it right here. Right there should be about good. Sometimes you gotta wait a minute and they'll come running out. Any squirrel that was on the ground is up in its nest now. Alright, to the next one. The last squirrel we got the other day, we were about to walk away. We reloaded our guns, walked away, and it came running down. Yeah, we'll walk down to the posted line and walk it down. Just remember, you gotta stay away from that one horse field over there. It's down a little ways, but he just doesn't want us on there because he's got his horses. That's what his horses use. But in weather like this, his horses stay in the barn. The joy of looking for these things. Can't always see them. Yep. Found a nest. We think that one just fell out of the tree, but we'll try that one next. Ready? Just keep an eye on it. Try to hit it. What about this one? You want to try this one?
Yeah.
Nothing. He would have definitely came out that one. That's a bird's nest. 90% of the time, this works a lot better than what it's working right now.
Wait until we go to the other road.
But we got a hot spot that we go, and it's just squirrels all over. It's like you're hunting in town.
I think we're gonna walk up, call it.
Walking out my door this morning, there was 3 squirrels. Come out here to the woods, not a single damn squirrel. Seen a rabbit. We should be coming up where all those nests were the other day.
Yeah, they're gonna be here a little bit.
There was a bunch we didn't even go for. Steven shot his buck this year, right over there. Came from off this field right here, which is the horse field. Horse ain't out there right now, but there's one right there.
I think there's one right there too, Michael.
Yep, hit him. There's 2 right there. One right there, one right there.
Yep.
Are you ready? Nothing. You want to hit this one? If they're in there, they come out. This one's looking pretty good. What's that? Yeah, you're good. Just don't shoot to your right. Ready? Nothing. Huh. Nothing. Had a squeak. Could have sworn I heard a squeak. There ain't nothing in it.
Cut.
We ended up finding that rabbit from the first drive. I gave her a haircut, and my brother was the one that hit her. We thought we missed her. We were walking back up pushing the piles, and we ended up finding her.